A great action camera doesn't just follow you into adventure, it translates your entire experience into something worth reliving. For anyone capturing movement, speed, or the subtle rhythms of exploration, the right tool makes the difference between shaky memories and vivid storytelling. But choosing the right one can be overwhelming when the market is flooded with specs, resolutions, and promises of cinematic quality that rarely hold up beyond marketing. We've taken a different path in selecting these 5 models. Each one represents a blend of technical innovation and practical usefulness, the kind of camera that doesn't just survive harsh conditions, but performs with precision in them. From underwater performance to night tracking, from clarity at 8K to stabilization at full tilt, every model on this list has proven itself in the field, not just on paper. Whether you're filming your bike as it cuts through forest trails, recording underwater moments on a diving trip, or just capturing daily life with cinematic fluidity, these cameras bring more than numbers. They deliver consistency, trust, and tools that grow with your skill. Each of the following 5 cameras has been chosen not only for what it can record, but for how it lets you move freely while doing so. Don't forget to check the description for links to each product in the list. Let's begin. Number 5. Akaso Brave 8 Lite. The Brave 8 Lite is a compact powerhouse that brings balance between affordability and top-tier features. Its 4K resolution 60 frames per second video quality, powered by the Ambarella chip and 7G lens, delivers clarity that holds up in both wide landscapes and intimate close-ups. HDR support ensures shadows and highlights are both fully expressed, making sure that even harsh lighting feels intentional and dramatic rather than flawed. Where this camera really earns praise is in its stability tech. Akaso blends hardware stabilization with mobile-based algorithmic smoothing, creating a silky recording experience, even without external gear. Its hyperlapse mode makes time-lapse footage look like it was shot with a gimbal, whether you're walking through a street fair or skiing downhill. For new creators especially, this plug-and-play steadiness is a major win. Durability also makes this camera stand out. Waterproof to 10 meters without a case, and far deeper with one. This model doesn't fear the ocean, the rain, or the mud. Its aluminum and plastic build give it both strength and flexibility, while the dual screen design makes self-recording and vlogging incredibly intuitive. The touchscreen is crisp and responsive, making menu navigation a breeze, even in gloves. The Brave 8 Lite includes some welcome extras like 8x slow motion, a wide-angle 166-degree lens, and a G sensor for easy portrait orientation. It's nimble, responsive, and built for those who want to capture it all without breaking their flow. With included remote control and accessories, it's a full kit ready for first-timers and seasoned content creators alike. Number 4. GoPro HERO12. The HERO12 continues GoPro's reputation for innovation by combining high-resolution recording with next-generation dynamic range. Capturing in 5.3K resolution with HDR, this device isn't just powerful, it's cinematic. The way it balances bright skies and shadowed trails gives every clip a lifelike presence that feels closer to being there than watching a video. Even in harsh lighting or sudden shifts in contrast, this camera doesn't flinch, it adapts. Inside its rugged frame is a sensor that grabs fine detail with clarity, supporting both high-res video and 27 megapixel stills. What's striking is how smoothly you can grab photos straight from video frames, something that's incredibly useful when you're shooting fast-paced scenes and don't want to miss the perfect moment. The colors pop, the textures hold, and every clip feels like a sequence lifted from a professional shoot. Stabilization is where this camera truly outperforms. The Hypersmooth 6.0 tech has been refined to the point where even chaotic movement looks intentional. Whether you're skating, skydiving, or filming your dog sprinting across the beach, the footage comes out balanced and buttery. No extra gear, no post-editing stabilization, just raw footage that's shockingly smooth. Toughness is never in question. Waterproof down to 10 meters and built to endure the worst conditions, the HERO12 embraces chaos without compromise. It even features a water-repelling lens cover that helps you maintain clarity in wet environments. With all the essential mounts and charging tools included, you can go from unboxing to adventure in minutes. Number 3. Insta360 Ace Pro 2. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 makes a loud entrance with its new one over 1.3-inch 8K sensor, pairing top-tier hardware with legendary Leica glass. This combo brings ultra-sharp imaging and expanded dynamic range, pushing what's possible in a camera that fits in your hand. It's not just about numbers, it's about how the light dances in your low-light captures, how colors feel cinematic, and how the textures of action are rendered with richness. And yes, it records crisp 8K resolution video with an elegance rarely seen outside studio setups. What truly elevates this camera is the dual AI chip system. There's a chip dedicated to professional image clarity and another focused solely on high-efficiency processing. Together, they boost performance, remove visual noise, and sharpen clarity with breathtaking results. Whether you're motorcycling through winding mountain roads or chasing dusk in a city alleyway, your footage stays clean, vibrant, and clear, even when the sun has dropped below the horizon. The newly added Pure Video mode gives night adventurers an edge, offering unprecedented low-light performance for an action camera. The AI algorithms clean up grain without flattening the scene, and highlight contrast without distorting shadows. Audio quality gets an equal upgrade thanks to the removable wind guard and refreshed audio processing, so your viewers hear every wind gust, wave crash, and boot crunch as it happened. Flip the screen up and the 2.5-inch touch display gives you total control. Its improved brightness makes it readable even in harsh sunlight, and the durability lets you angle shots with confidence. Add the 157-degree wide lens and water resistance down to 12 meters, and you've got a content creator's toolkit disguised as an adventure companion. Number 2, GoPro HERO13. The HERO13 Black raises the stakes even higher with unmatched video resolution and advanced lens compatibility. Recording in 5.3K 60 frames per second, it handles ultra-fine detail with ease. Every leaf, drop of water, and facial expression is captured with a richness that feels immersive. The HERO13 builds on its legacy by refining color science and enhancing clarity without sacrificing frame rate or portability. Durability remains at the heart of the experience. This model is made to withstand freezing winds, crashing waves, and everything in between. Combined with a more powerful battery and heat management improvements, it outlasts many cameras even in extreme conditions. Whether it's mounted to a helmet, a drone, or a surfboard, it keeps performing without losing resolution or overheating. What makes the HERO13 unique is its new lens system. The HB series lenses open creative possibilities for those who need specialty shots or unique perspectives. From ultra-wide storytelling to dramatic zooms, these lenses expand how you frame your narrative without needing to switch devices. It turns the action camera into a modular storytelling tool. For users who prioritize both simplicity and performance, this camera checks every box. It's fast to set up, responds smoothly to changes in light, and records with clarity even during spontaneous high-motion scenarios. Whether you're a traveler, athlete, or filmmaker, the HERO13 Black is the trusted sidekick you didn't know you needed. Number 1. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. At the top of the list sits the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, a device that redefines what's possible from a compact action camera. With its 1 over 1.3-inch sensor, it handles night scenes with striking clarity. Urban environments, bike rides after sunset, or dim ski lodges all come to life with clean shadows, vibrant contrast, and rich textures. If storytelling at night is your goal, this is the tool for you. DJI's advanced chip technology delivers reliable subject tracking and framing accuracy, allowing you to stay focused on your activity instead of fidgeting with angles. Whether you're vlogging on the go or capturing fast-paced sports, it holds your subject in the frame smoothly, ensuring you walk away with usable content every time. The dual OLED screens provide vibrant, bright previews, so what you see is what you get. Stabilization is where this model shines. With full 360 degrees horizon steady, your footage remains upright and stable no matter the flips, shakes, or angles. It's perfect for content creators who film in unpredictable conditions, whether that's snowboarding down slopes or sprinting through a crowded festival. Paired with enhanced battery life and quick recharging, this camera refuses to quit before you do. Finally, the audio experience is one of the best in its class. Compatibility with DJI microphones allows you to record clean, isolated vocals for narration or ambient sound. Combined with the included adventure combo accessories and cold resistance, the Osmo Action 5 Pro isn't just a camera, it's a full production studio in your pocket. It deserves the top spot for its unmatched combination of quality, control, and reliability. There you have it, 5 action cameras that don't just document your journey, but enhance it. From the clarity of Insta360's Leica partnership to DJI's nighttime brilliance and unbeatable stabilization, each one gives you the tools to go further, create more, and keep exploring. Whether you're starting your filming journey or pushing the edge of creative capture, these models are where your next chapter begins. Tap the product links in the description below to explore full specs and reviews, and choose the action camera that's ready to follow you anywhere.